2 years ago, two passionate activists, Mazmai and Amai Kuku, launched a prayer group like no other. Their mission? To bring Zimbabweans together through daily prayers for our beloved country and its leader, President Nelson Chamisa, and his citizen movement. Now you might wonder, how can just a few people praying make a difference? Well, let me tell you, the impact has been profound. Yesterday, hundreds of Zimbabweans in the diaspora gathered on a Twitter space, now known as X, to celebrate 2 years of unwavering faith and dedication. Honorable Molokele and Honorable Ostalos Siziba, prominent members of the Democratic Alternative, were among those who joined the celebrations, highlighting the significance of this movement. I had the privilege of catching up with one of the founding members, Mai Kuku. Her story is both inspiring and heartwarming. When they started this prayer group, little did they know it would grow into a global phenomenon. Zimbabweans from all walks of life, no matter where they were, found a sense of community and belonging through these daily prayers. Mai Kuku shared with us how the prayers have become a lifeline for many. In times of despair and uncertainty, they offered hope and strength. She spoke of the countless messages they've received from people who felt uplifted and supported by this spiritual bond. It's truly remarkable how faith can connect us, even across vast distances. The group's journey hasn't been without its challenges. There were moments of doubt, times when the weight of the world felt too heavy. But Mazmai and Amai Kuku, along with their dedicated followers, persisted. Their resilience and unwavering belief in a better future for Zimbabwe kept them going. So what does the future hold for this incredible prayer group? Mai Kuku believes that their mission is far from over. They aim to continue spreading hope, unity, and faith among Zimbabweans worldwide. The dream is to see a Zimbabwe that thrives, where its people are united and strong. This story reminds us of the power of community and the impact we can have when we come together with a common purpose. It's a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the unbreakable bond of faith. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, it only takes a small spark to ignite a flame of change. Until next time, keep the faith alive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.